Today I am going to solve activities 8.14 and 8.15. In activity 8.14, you have been asked to write a short program and in your chosen programming language. In our case, our chosen programming language is Python, and use a procedure to display 3 lines of stars. First of all, you will write the procedure. You can see over here that you will define the procedure like this, which will print 3 such lines of stars, and then you will call this procedure using this statement. So let's use Python GUI. Your program can be made using Python command line also, and Python GUI also. Command line is a black screen on which you write commands, and GUI is a presentable white screen, which is a better way to write a program. I am defining a program. The name of that program is stars. I am writing 2 small brackets, 1 colon, and now I am pressing enter. You will print the first line of stars using 2 round brackets, and you will use double quotation marks, and you will print some asterisks on first line, and using backslash n will take the cursor to the next line. I am copying pasting the same statement twice so that 3 lines should be printed on screen. I am pressing enter, then pasting the same statement, then pressing enter, and then pasting the same statement. Now I will press enter to uh, call that program. I have entered twice to call that program. Now to call, I am just writing the name of program with the 2 round brackets, and I am pressing enter. You can see that you can see that 3 lines of stars have been printed on screen. Now let's move on to activity 8.15. 8.15 is also the same as 8.14, just you need to define a parameter. Now you need to define a procedure which will accept a parameter also, so that to write a given number of lines of stars. In Python, backslash n is used to take the cursor to the next level, and you can use end you can use this statement also to move on to the next line. So let's try out the first option of using end also, and then we will try the second option also. For activity 8.15, I have used this procedure. This procedure has defined this procedure, the name of this procedure is stars. It is accepting a parameter from user. The user will give a number of his choice. That number will be passed to this for loop, and this for loop will print that number of stars on screen. And this statement is used to print number of stars on screen, and this end statement with 2 single quotes will be used to take the cursor to the next line. See, this is the output of this procedure. I have called the above procedure with the parameter of 8, and the 8 stars have been printed on screen. Now, for the same program, the program says that use a procedure that accepts a parameter to write a given number of lines of stars. For the same procedure, I am using multiple lines. I am trying the same procedure to print multiple lines on screen. So I am copying the same program and, and pasting it over here, and I am giving it a name stars 1, and I am making a line of stars over here, and according to the question I am using backslash n for Python this time, not end statement. So instead of this end, I am using backslash and within the same double quote. This will print the number of lines of stars given by the user. It will print this line on the screen, the number of times the user will give a parameter. Let us see what, now let us see what will happen. I am pressing enter twice. Now this time I am writing star 1 and I am giving a parameter 3. Suppose 3 such lines should be printed, because in this number I have in place of this number I have passed the parameter of 3. This 3 will be given over here. Counter will the counter will print this line thrice on the screen. Let's see if it happens. You can see that 3 lines have been printed. 3 lines of stars have been printed on screen. So these were activities 8.14 and 8.15. Thank you.